Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bullet replacement blade is probably one of the most essential accessories for your NutriBullet. Over time, blades can dull, and that's where replacement comes in. This video will dive deep into the world of replacement blades, exploring what makes a good one, how to choose the right fit for your model, and ultimately, how to keep your smoothies and shakes perfectly blended. Let's get started. Number 5. Replacement Extractor Blade for NutriBullet 600W900W. This replacement extractor blade is designed for your NutriBullet original 600W and 900W Pro Series blenders. It fits models like NBR 0601, NB9-1301, and many more. Please note, this is not an original NutriBullet product, but a compatible replacement. Before you buy, make sure this blade is right for your blender. It won't work with Magic Bullet, NutriBullet RX, or Nutri Ninja models. Double-check your model number to ensure a perfect fit. Inside the package, you'll find one replacement cross-blade assembly. It also includes a pre-installed silicone rubber gasket O-ring. The blade measures 4.1 inches in diameter and 1.59 inches in height. The high-speed blade is made of food-grade stainless steel and sealed with silicone rubber gaskets. It's built to last and easy to clean. The cyclonic action helps it break down tough ingredients for your favorite recipes. The O-ring might loosen during shipping, so make sure it's secure before use. Also, check the black gear at the bottom of the blade and tighten it counterclockwise if needed. We are here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This blade features durable stainless steel and is easy to clean, making your life easier. It's designed for effortless blending, allowing you to quickly create your favorite smoothies and snacks. If you have a NutriBullet 600W or 900W Pro Series blender and want a reliable replacement, you should consider this. What people say. Fits great and operates smoothly. This replacement didn't leak and was quieter. Once received, it was a perfect fit and worked well. Number 4. Ninja Blender 7 Fins Blade Replacement. Introducing the 7 Fins blade replacement for your Ninja blender. This blade is designed to enhance your blending, making it easier than ever to create your favorite smoothies and snacks. This blade is compatible with a wide range of Ninja Auto IQ models. Before purchasing, make sure to measure the diameter of your original blade to ensure a perfect fit. Made with food-grade plastic and stainless steel, this blade is built to last. The upgraded stainless steel bearings are leak-free, rust-free, and BPA-free, ensuring your safety. For optimal performance, clean the blade with warm water after each use. It's recommended to replace the extractor blade every 6 months for the best results. The package includes one 7 fins extractor blade assembly and 2 rubber gaskets. One gasket is pre-installed, and the other is for future replacement. We are committed to providing a great purchasing experience. If you have any issues, please contact us. Note that this is a compatible replacement, not an original Ninja product. What we like? This blade boasts a 7-fin design and upgraded stainless steel bearings, ensuring a leak-free and rust-free experience. It helps you make smoothies, dips, and condiments with ease. If you are looking for a blade that offers both performance and durability for your Ninja Auto IQ blender, you should consider this. What people say. Fits and works perfectly. The perfect fit, no leaks. Works as intended with my Ninja Deluxe system. Number 3. Ninja Blender 6 Fins Blade Replacement. Tired of a dull blade? This replacement blade is designed for your Ninja blender. It's a perfect fit to get you back to blending your favorite smoothies and shakes. This 6-fin blade is compatible with various Ninja models, including BL660, BL770, and BL740. Make sure to measure your original blade's diameter to ensure a proper fit. It only fits 16-ounce cups. Please note that this blade is not compatible with 24 ounces or 32-ounce cups. It's specifically designed for 16-ounce cups. Using the wrong cup size may damage the blade or your blender. The blade comes with a pre-installed seal ring, so it's ready to go. Just make sure the gasket is secure before each use. It's that simple to get started. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this blade is safe and durable. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy your healthy drinks with peace of mind. For crushing ice, use the blade in a 72-ounce cup. For personal smoothies, use it with the 16-ounce cup. Always check the gear at the bottom before use. What we like. This blade is specifically designed for 16-ounce cups and is dishwasher safe, offering convenience in your kitchen. Made of high-strength stainless steel, it's perfect for creating nutritious shakes and smoothies. If you like a blade that's easy to clean and fits your 16-ounce cup, you should consider this. What people say. It arrived quickly, and when I compared it to my original blade, see photos, I noticed it was slightly heavier with a bit thicker blades, but overall it fit perfectly and matched the form of my old blade. It feels just like the original, sharp, sturdy, and blends everything smoothly. Fits perfect and has worked well since replacing the old part. Number 2. Ninja Blender Replacement Blade, 6 fins. This 6-fin male blade is designed to fit perfectly with your Ninja blender. It's compatible with various models, ensuring a seamless replacement experience. This blade works with 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32-ounce cups. It's compatible with Ninja Blender Auto IQ 900W and 1000W models. Please confirm your blender model before purchasing. This blade is not compatible with certain Ninja models, including those with 7 fins or 16-ounce cups. Please check your blender model carefully before you buy it. The 6-fin extractor blade is made of food-grade stainless steel. Its high hardness ensures excellent anti-corrosion performance, providing durability and reliability. The package includes one 6-fin male blade with a pre-installed gasket rubber. It's easy to use and requires no special tools or operations. Just replace it and you are good to go. This is a replacement blade, not an original Ninja product. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the extractor blade every 6 months. This will help you get the best results. What we like. This blade is a 6-fins male blade that fits 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32-ounce cups, offering versatility. Made of food-grade stainless steel with high hardness, it ensures durability and anti-corrosion performance. If you need a blade that works with different cup sizes and offers reliable performance, you should consider this. What people say. The blade works perfectly. It fits my Ninja perfectly and works great. Number 1. Ninja Blender Blade Replacement for 16-ounce cup. This replacement blade is designed for various Ninja models. It's compatible with several blenders, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. This blade is a great replacement option. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this blade is built to last. It's anti-corrosive and dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. This ensures it meets or exceeds OEM standards. This blade is specifically designed for single-serve 16-ounce cups. It's not compatible with larger sizes, so make sure it fits your needs. It's perfect for making shakes and smoothies. The package includes the blade and an extra gasket. The gasket is already installed, so you can start using it right away. Just make sure the rubber gasket is secure before use. You'll receive one 6-fin replacement blade and an extra gasket. This provides everything you need to get your blender working like new. It's a simple and effective solution. What we like. This blade features a 6-fin design and is easy to install, saving you time and effort. Made of food-grade high-quality stainless steel, it's anti-corrosive and dishwasher safe. If you want a blade that's easy to use and clean, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect replacement for Ninja Blender blade. Almost works better than the original. This has lasted us a long time and is used a lot. It has lasted us longer than the original blade. We'll definitely buy this again if needed in the future. Great quality. Works great as a replacement for the Ninja BL621 model. Fits the blender cup and has a tight seal. No leakage when using. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.